Hi friends, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. We are not actually planning for the month of December. No. Some of you may know that I kind of messed up my Franken planning this year. And so we are actually planning for the month of June. I already fixed it on the side here. And so you're going to see how I'm going to set this up. I'm going to be using the Pastel Kit from CoffeePlannerMom. Because I wanted to show you that you didn't have to use this kit just as a weekly kit. Like, you can use it in your monthly. It's going to be great. I also have her days of the week scripts and her months because, well, I messed up. But that's normal. I'm also a PR girl for CoffeePlannerMom, so if you're ever interested in purchasing from her shop, while I'm in her PR team, you can use my code HOLLY15 for 15% off, and you get this super cute summer nights freebie that has dinners, chores, and currently scripts, and then a whole bunch of bullet points, because I do love me some bullet points. So there's that. So let's get started with the whiting out process, because there is quite a bit. I will say I did look for a month that had a Tuesday start, which June does, and so did December. Obviously, we're not going to be celebrating Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, so we just got to take care of some stuff. Alrighty, Rue. I think that takes care of most of the whiting out that needs to be done on this one. I want to see if the days of the week will just cover up the days of the week. Did that make sense? I think so. It does. Fabulous. Her brush lettering is so pretty, and I haven't used my days of the week scripts recently, so I was like, oh, let's do that. I mean, if we're gonna Franken plan anyway, if we're gonna like change this whole thing up. June, for me is a fun month in the sense of it's my birthday, so that's always fun. But it's the first full month of summer break, and a lot of times I get things done around the house. I am usually just enjoying time outside. Usually June is a nice, restful, relaxing month. Now, I do have things going on this June. I say a lot. I try not to. I'm sorry. So we will be having some plans, but my focus for this month really is to reset/restart my Weight Watcheriness. I gave myself a lot of grace. I should say this. I rejoined Weight Watchers back in March. And I started off pretty well, and then stress at school, and I just kind of let the stress get to me, which is fine. I gave myself grace and said, you know what? Is it really important right this second to make sure that all of the things, are working? Right now, just focus on getting through the school year. So I chose to do that. So now it's like, I've got this time to focus on me. And that's really nice. I'm gonna stick some washi up here. I'm trying to get better at my washiness. My washiness. So I know that these colors in my washi tape that I'm using, and these are these Happy Planner washi? I think it is. I know they're a little brighter than the pastels, but I don't think that's a bad thing. I think it just helps give a little more oomph to the spread. Oomph, oomph. Gives a little more oomph. I guess what I'm trying to say is don't be afraid to like mix muted colors and bold colors, all of the colors. So I'm not typically a washi person. I'm getting better at my washiness, but I haven't always used it. I remember when I first started happy planning and I thought I needed all of the things, and I bought all of the things, and then I realized you don't actually need all of the things. So I want to do some, well, first let's put June up there. June would be good. I'm actually going to put it right here, and then I'll put something for 2021 up there. Then, how do I want to do this next part? I think I want to use this guy. And we'll put the quote, better an oops than a what if, right there. And then down here, this is going to be a silly one. I'm going to use one of these check boxes. Right here. So there's a donut shop. I know, I just got done talking about Weight Watchery goodness, right? I did, I know. But we have a donut shop here where I live that does flavors of the month. And I do like to try the flavors, and I don't get to all of them. So like, don't be concerned. But I'm going to use, this was a freebie from the Race Life kit that Brittany did, CoffeePlannerMom. So I think I actually want to do like what donuts I tried this month, or what donuts I want to try. Because not all of them are ones that are my cup of tea. I'll throw that out there too. My favorite one, and they actually keep it like all year round, is the lavender lime donut. It sounds like it shouldn't go together. I understand that, but it's amazing. Okay, and then I've got I kind of want to put, before I put the quote, chase your dreams, it's going to fit really well there, but I kind of want to put a little bit of a background to it. So it's peachy. Like these two ombre together, like we could do that, but maybe not. I don't know. This is where things get a little tricky. I got an idea. When in doubt, make triangles. Okay, that's not actually true, but sometimes this helps just bring a little, some dynamic movement to the spread. And then we can, do we just want to go straight to the, ooh, idea. Oh no, I have a sticker attached to me. That ain't great. You are gonna chill right there, and you're not gonna stick to anything else. Be good. Be good. Oh no. Wasn't good. Oh no. Bad things are happening. I'm not even showing you what I'm doing because I'm so nervous at this moment. Have you ever watched Arrested Development? I've made a horrible mistake. All right, back of the hand it goes. Because I don't trust you anymore, sticker. No trusting. Let's bring in this guy. Do some... So many things are happening at this moment. This is probably where I should use scissors. I probably will still use scissors, but let's just get a little... Let's get something happening. I should have done the washi and then the stickers, but alas, earwax. It's okay. Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. These are pretty sharp scissors. Can I make a little... Maybe. Maybe. So many things, guys. I thought about doing more washi, but I'm like, you better get this sticker down before it decides it doesn't want to stick anymore. All right, that will work. I think that brings in some of the stuff from the top there. And that looks good. Let's go ahead and get important dates down. I think that's going to be the next thing. And then we'll probably use the little bullety point, guys, that came with the kit. So, first things first, the 9th. Oh, I guess I could use boxes, though, too. So many choices. See, that's the thing. There are a lot of choices. No, I think we'll use bullet point. Should be half them. Okay. Parent move-in day is the 9th. We have a wedding on the 19th to go to. That's Father's Day. I wonder if I have, I'm sure I do somewhere in here. Like, you know how they always put holidays in all of the Happy Planner sticker books? Father's Day. Huzzah! Not a huge fan of the gold, but it's gonna work. They probably don't have Flag Day in here, though. Nope. 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 My birthday is on Flag Day. That's why I was like, oh, I wonder if they have Flag Day. No. So birthday script. And let's use the rainbowy bullet point right there. Birthday. And then some things to remember to do. This is when Sharpie gets his doggo meds. Do I have a good script? I don't think I have a script about dog meds yet. I know she has those, but I have Potacure. But that's not helpful. All right. No, so we're just going to keep it at that. But we can write things in. What color? Ooh, could we use this guy? He might pop things out just a little bit. Let's make sure you are working. Yes. Fabulous. All right, so we got and this is like his monthly meds, like flea tick, all that fun stuff. There we go. That looks good. Anything else? Nothing on the sticky note that I can see. So let's add one more thing up here. And I think what we'll do is we'll use this guy. Now that I have learned the error of my ways. Do stripe. Cotton. Because the letters are there, I don't think I'll go at the top. I'll just leave it right there. And we'll be bringing this rainbow guy. Upside down. Okay. You go on back of hand. Let's see if we can peel up the Y. Maybe. Questionable. Literally the worst. No. Let's do, oh wait. No, that might be too wide. That'll work. That'll do. It'll do, pig. Then we have kind of that same pattern going here and here, just with different colors, a little bit of washi. Life is good. And then, what quote? I like the Just Peachy. I know that's a lot of quotes right next to each other, but it's my spread. I can do what I want, right? Totally. You know, I did pull the shades a little bit so that we wouldn't get this stripy, sunshiny thing going on, but apparently that didn't work for today. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. You can check out my Instagram as well. I've got links in the description below to Coffee Planner Mom, and I will catch you all in the next one.